Have you ever felt like native English speakers are talking in a secret language? Fast, effortless, almost musical? And you're standing there thinking, why don't I ever sound like them? Well, today, that's going to change. Because I'm about to reveal the real secrets behind how people talk in English and why you don't sound like them yet. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to sound like them. Naturally, confidently, fluently. Let's begin. Most English learners make one big mistake. They speak in textbook mode. Every word is perfect. Every sentence is clean. But guess what? Real people don't talk like that. They drop sounds. They merge words. They flow. Listen carefully. Native speakers say going to becomes gonna. Want to, wanna. Did you, didya. And if you don't use these patterns, your speech sounds formal, robotic, unnatural. You see, in real conversation, rhythm is everything. English dances. It rises, it falls, it breathes. But when you stress every single word, your speech loses its life. That's why you don't sound like them. Yet. Now let's talk about what they do differently. They reduce sounds. They connect words. They drop syllables. They make speech smooth, not sharp. Let's hear some magic. I am going to becomes I'm gonna. Look at it, look at it. Do it blends to do it. Even camera becomes camera. And interesting? It's not interesting, it's interesting. Everyday English is full of shortcuts, and these shortcuts are what make speech sound real. But it's not just pronunciation, it's rhythm, stress, and emotion. Native speakers use stress to show meaning. They lift important words and relax the others. They don't say, "Are you going to come with me to the store?" They say, "Are you going to come with me to the store?" It's smoother, lighter, more human. So how do you make this part of your own speech? Step by step. First, listen. Really listen. Podcasts, movies, YouTube conversations, don't just hear words, hear flow. Notice how everything connects like music. Second, practice in chunks. Don't memorize words. Memorize phrases. Say, at the end of the day, "You know what I mean?" Kind of like that. That's how real people talk. Third, record yourself. Yes, it feels weird, but it's powerful. Play it back. Compare it with a native clip. You'll see what's missing. Then, fix it. Fourth, shadow. Play a line from a native speaker, pause, and repeat it exactly. Rhythm, tone, and timing. Do it again and again until it feels natural. And fifth, accept imperfection. You won't sound perfect on day one, but fluency isn't about perfection, it's about flow. Keep going, even if you stumble. That's how fluency is born. Let's test your ear with a few real examples. Formal, are you going to come with me to the store? Natural, are you going to come with me to the store? Formal, I did not see what you did. Natural, I didn't see what you did. Simple, right? But the difference in sound, massive. Here's a short real-life dialogue. A, hey, what are you up to tonight? B, oh, I'm just gonna chill. Maybe watch a movie. You want to join? A, yeah, sounds good. Where you thinking? B, maybe your place, or we grab food first, then come over. This is how people actually talk. Smooth, friendly, effortless. Now, let's make this part of your daily practice. Every day, listen to one short conversation. Repeat it aloud. Feel the rhythm. Mark the reductions. Note the linking. Keep a small notebook. Call it your Natural English Journal. Write down phrases you love. Use them in real life, even if it feels strange at first. Over time, something amazing will happen. Your ear will change. Your tongue will move differently. And suddenly, you'll sound like them. Yes, there will be frustrations. You'll think, I sound weird. You'll forget reductions. You'll fall back into textbook mode. But don't stop. Remember, every native speaker once sounded unnatural too. They just practiced their rhythm longer. So keep going. Because the more you practice the music of English, the more your voice transforms into something alive, real, and confident. So now you know why you haven't sounded like them and how to change that for good. Start using reductions. Start linking words. Start feeling the rhythm. And your English will never sound the same again. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more natural English lessons and tap the bell icon so you never miss a single secret about speaking English fluently. Thanks for watching. And remember, don't just learn English, live it.